Well folks, 11:30 at night and it is snowing in Huntsville, Texas. Wow. Wow. Indeed. Okay, here's tunnel. I need to go turn the heater on. Truck. Here's in this car. Look at the vegetable bed. What was the vegetable bed? Here's the bottle oil. Turn the heater on. See, it's covered in snow. I'll have to clean it off. I don't know how much it's going to snow, but I'd hate the tunnel to collapse. Wow. You know, you get chickens. Yeah, amazing. I put that over my bulb onions and so far it seems to be working. Yeah, I'm going to the chickens. Let's see how they're doing. It's already quite thick. It's an inch already, at least. Good inch. Inch and a half. And it's only just started. There's Tammy and there's Matthew's Mitsubishi. You see the snow is falling. It's only just started, as I said, 10 minutes ago. I'll have to clear the tunnel off, I think. I don't know if you can take away to the snow. This is my orange tree here, getting covered. I sure hope my tunnel holds up. I'm inside now and it's covered with snow and that snow's getting heavier and heavier. I may have to set to work and start getting some of it off. My heater. Hopefully this will do the trick and it'll start sliding off. We'll see. Well, as you can see, I've got my little garden hoe here. I'm using that to scrape snow off. I don't want my tunnel to collapse. slowly removing the snow. It keeps on falling as I remove it, which is okay. It's a new experience for me. As I said, I'd hate the tunnel to collapse with the weight of the snow. I'd rather start getting it off now. It's coming on to midnight now. Tuesday morning, Monday night, 20th of January, or Tuesday morning. What a transformation, folks. This is my big vegetable bed. Look at it. It's all under snow. All the compost and beds and everything. It's all in the snow. You can see the tunnel. I've cleared it off. I scraped the snow so it doesn't collapse. I have to come out here in another half an hour time and do it again. The 21st of January. Day after the inauguration of President Trump. Anyway, the snow is still coming down. Look at this raised bed here. It's full of snow. Got all these bins of your raised beds and all green onions. Well, here's what it is. Here's what it is. You know, I'm glad I've cleared the tunnel off. That's the well. I wrapped it up good and proper now, and I go inside and test the water in the house. There's the Stars and Stripes. This is America, man. Huntsville, Texas. Like a winter wonderland. All the way down to the road down there, across the creek, to the front fence gate. This here is back up to the container. And this is the north fence, and past the oil well here, up to the west fence. Here I come up to the west fence, to our next door neighbour. You can see the steers over there. I feel sorry for them. That's the south fence going down there. And this is looking east now down my driveway down there. The driveway goes down there. from where that blue bin is, 860 feet down to the front fence, the front road. This is my south fence, going down 1,000 feet to the front fence right down there. You look very carefully, you'll see it. It's right down through there. Anyway, this is the snow tour. And of course, this is Jack's place over here next to my good neighbor. Good man, good guy. I don't see him anywhere.